from Kanapura. I done my BCA in JSS College for Women with a percentage of 85.7. I got to know JSpiders from my friend and I joined here. It is a very good platform to learn the things from scratch to depth. For me, Faizan sir took Kojava and Keshav sir took collection framework and advanced by Vivek sir. All the trainers were very supportive and also the HR team supported me to get placed. I attended one drive, Trinity Mobility. In that there were 2 rounds, one is technical round and one is HR round. In technical round they asked me about Kojava and advanced. In HR they asked me to write a program and I cleared both the rounds and I got placed in Trinity Mobility with a package of 2.4 to 3.4 LPA. Thank you.